Imagine being 70, yet looking 45. Imagine walking through a community where people rarely get sick, stay active into their 80s, and seem to age in slow motion. This isn't fantasy. This is everyday life in Japan. Today, you're about to discover the 15 anti-aging foods the Japanese eat daily, and how you can use them to stay youthful, energized, and glowing for decades. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of Japanese longevity, the foods behind their glowing skin, strong immunity, and impressively long lifespan. If you've ever wondered why Japanese people stay remarkably youthful, this video will break it all down. Let's get straight into it, starting with a superfood you probably already have in your kitchen. 1. Green tea, especially matcha. Green tea is often called the drink of longevity in Japan, and for good reason. Every cup is loaded with catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your cells the way armor protects a warrior. These antioxidants reduce inflammation, slow down the breakdown of collagen, and help prevent age-related diseases. But then there's matcha, green tea's more powerful, concentrated sibling. Unlike regular tea, matcha is made from entire ground tea leaves, giving you up to 10 times the antioxidant power. One cup provides L-theanine, which relaxes the mind without making you sleepy, and EGCG, one of the strongest anti-aging compounds nature has ever produced. Regular matcha drinkers experience better skin elasticity, reduced fine lines, and improved metabolism. This is why you often see Japanese people drinking matcha in the morning. It's their daily youth elixir. 2. Seaweed. Japan's coastline is surrounded by nutrient-rich waters where edible seaweeds have been harvested for centuries. Wakame, kombu, hijiki, and nori are staples that appear in soups, salads, sushi, and side dishes almost daily. These sea vegetables are loaded with minerals your skin craves: iodine for a balanced thyroid, magnesium for stress reduction, calcium for strong bones, and unique sea-based antioxidants that protect the skin from environmental damage. Wakame contains fucoidan, a rare compound shown to boost collagen production and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Seaweed also hydrates the skin from within, helping it stay plump and smooth. And because it's low in calories but rich in fiber, it supports digestion and weight control, two major factors in aging gracefully. 3. Salmon and fatty fish. The Japanese diet is famously rich in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the healthy fats your skin and brain absolutely thrive on. Omega-3s keep your cell membranes flexible, which leads to deeply moisturized skin, fewer wrinkles, and a natural glow. These fatty acids also lower inflammation, support brain health, improve circulation, and protect against heart disease, making them anti-aging from the inside out. Japan's coastal communities eat fish nearly every day, and studies show they have lower rates of age-related decline, depression, and cognitive issues. Their skin stays softer, their joints stay more flexible, and their energy levels remain stable well into old age. 4. Tofu and soy-based foods. Tofu, miso, edamame, and natto have been staples of Japanese cuisine for generations. These foods are rich in plant-based proteins and isoflavones, natural compounds that gently balance hormones, especially in women. Isoflavones help reduce collagen breakdown, maintain skin elasticity, and support bone strength. They also help regulate mood, metabolism, and overall vitality as the body ages. Fermented soy products like miso and natto go even further. They provide probiotics that support gut health. And as we now know, a healthy gut often shows up as radiant skin. 5. Sweet potatoes, especially purple sweet potatoes. The Okinawan purple sweet potato, known as benihimo, is one of the biggest secrets behind Japan's blue zone longevity. Its vibrant color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants also found in blueberries. These protect the skin from UV damage, support heart health, fight inflammation, and even improve memory. Purple sweet potatoes are rich, naturally sweet, high in fiber, and sustain energy for long periods without spiking blood sugar. The people of Okinawa often eat them daily, sometimes replacing rice entirely. And their reward? One of the longest life expectancies on the planet, with many living past 90 in remarkable health. 6. Fermented foods, miso, natto, tsukmino. Fermented foods are the hidden engine behind Japanese longevity. Miso soup is consumed every morning in many homes. Natto, though slimy and strong-smelling, is incredibly nutrient-dense. And sukmono, Japanese pickles, help maintain gut health with every meal. Fermentation creates probiotics that help the digestive system function smoothly, reduce inflammation in the body, and support immunity. Natto is particularly unique. It contains vitamin K2, which keeps calcium in your bones where it belongs and prevents it from clogging arteries. A well-functioning gut equals healthy skin, stable energy, and a strong immune system. This is why many Japanese people rarely look bloated, tired, or inflamed. They nourish their gut daily. 7. Green leafy vegetables. Japanese cuisine includes an incredible variety of green vegetables: spinach, kametsuna, shungaku, mizuna, and more. These are loaded with folate, iron, vitamin C, fiber, and beta-carotene, all essential for youthful, glowing skin. Vitamin C boosts collagen production. Beta-carotene protects the skin from sun damage. Folate supports cell repair and DNA synthesis. These greens help the body rejuvenate itself at the cellular level. They detoxify the liver, improve digestion, and provide clean, long-lasting energy. This daily intake of green vegetables is one major reason why Japanese skin often looks bright, firm, and clear. 8. Mushrooms. Japan is home to a huge variety of mushrooms: shiitake, maitake, enoki, shimeji, and more. These mushrooms are incredibly rich in antioxidants, beta-glucans, and vitamin D. Shiitake mushrooms contain lentinan, which supports the immune system and helps the body defend itself against illness, stress, and aging. These mushrooms also contain compounds that support healthy cholesterol levels and protect the heart. Their high vitamin D content is especially important. Vitamin D deficiency speeds up aging, weakens bones, and reduces immunity. Mushrooms help avoid all of that naturally, keeping the body functioning like a well-tuned machine. 9. Brown rice. Brown rice is a slow-digesting, whole-grain staple that provides steady energy throughout the day. It is rich in fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, and essential minerals that support metabolic health. Unlike white rice, brown rice keeps blood sugar stable, which helps reduce inflammation, the silent driver behind premature aging. It also supports digestion, strengthens the gut, and provides nutrients that boost hair, nails, and skin. Many Japanese households prepare brown rice with a small amount of kombu, seaweed, enhancing both flavor and mineral content. This small habit contributes to overall vitality, weight control, and long-lasting energy. 10. Daikon radish. Daikon radish is a quiet but powerful anti-aging food. It is low in calories, high in antioxidants, and packed with digestive enzymes that help the body break down fats and detoxify the system. Daikon supports liver health, reduces bloating, and helps maintain a flat, toned-looking midsection. It also reduces inflammation and assists the body in metabolizing heavy meals more efficiently. When eaten raw, pickled, or cooked, Daikon cleanses the digestive tract and promotes glowing skin from within. It is one reason Japanese meals rarely feel heavy or greasy. 11. Sesame seeds. Tiny but mighty, sesame seeds are loaded with zinc, copper, magnesium, and calcium, minerals critical for collagen production, hair strength, and bone health. Sesame seeds contain sesamin and sesamolan, rare plant compounds that protect the liver, support fat metabolism, and reduce oxidative stress. These compounds help the skin stay firm and elastic while slowing down the formation of wrinkles. Japanese people often sprinkle sesame seeds on rice, vegetables, salads, and even desserts, turning simple meals into nutrient-rich anti-aging dishes. 12. Green onions and ginger. These aromatic ingredients appear in almost every Japanese dish, but they do far more than add flavor. Green onions are rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, and antioxidants that support immunity and protect blood vessels. They improve circulation, which keeps the skin nourished and glowing. Ginger reduces inflammation throughout the body, supports digestive health, improves circulation, and acts as a natural detoxifier. It warms the body from the inside, stimulates metabolism, and helps maintain clear, youthful-looking skin. 13. Bamboo shoots. Bamboo shoots are low in calories but incredibly rich in antioxidants, fiber, and plant compounds that fight inflammation. They help reduce cholesterol, support heart health, and improve digestion. Bamboo shoots are also a natural source of silica, a mineral that strengthens hair, nails, and skin. Regular consumption supports elasticity, hydration, and firmness of the skin. They're crunchy, fresh, and usually added to soups, stir-fries, and rice bowls, giving meals a nutritious and rejuvenating boost. 14. Apples. Japanese apples are famously large, crisp, and sweet, and they're also nutrient-dense. They contain quercetin, one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory antioxidants found in fruit. Quercetin protects the heart, reduces oxidative stress, and supports healthy blood vessels. Apples are also rich in pectin, a type of fiber that feeds the gut, improves digestion, and helps regulate cholesterol. The combination of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants makes apples a daily anti-aging snack that supports both health and beauty. 15. Soba noodles, buckwheat noodles. Soba noodles are made from buckwheat, a grain-like seed that is naturally gluten-free and rich in protein, fiber, magnesium, and rutin. Rutin is a powerful bioflavonoid that strengthens blood vessels, supports heart health, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to the skin, creating a natural glow. Soba is low in calories, doesn't spike blood sugar, and provides long-lasting, stable energy. For many Japanese people, it is their go-to comfort food, and one of the reasons they maintain slim figures and youthful vitality for decades. These 15 foods aren't magic pills, they're everyday staples in Japanese homes. And when combined consistently, they create a lifestyle where aging slows down, energy stays high, and health becomes a daily habit, not a struggle. If you want to age gracefully, start adding even one or two of these foods to your meals. Small changes can lead to big transformations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more health and wellness content. Comment below, which of these Japanese anti-aging foods will you try first? Thanks for watching, and stay young, stay healthy, and stay inspired.